Okay students, let's look at question from 65 to 72. In this set of questions, you will have statements given. From the two, you have to identify the correct answer based on these four options. You will have to mark option 1 if statement 1 is true, 2 is false. Option 2 if 1 is false, 2 is true. Option 3 if both are true but statement 2 provides explanation to statement 1. And option 4 where both statements are true but statement 2 does not provide explanation to statement 1. Let's look at the first question, question number 65. Looking at both the statements, we can identify that the correct answer should be option number 4 where both statement is true but 2 does not provide the explanation to the first statement. Thus, my answer is answer number 4. Let's look at question number 66. Now, looking at question number 66, statement 1 says the Forest Act of 1878 categorized some forests as reserve forests. Statement 2 says they were considered the best forests for people's use. Now, when we read both of them together, we can easily identify that the answer should be 1 where statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. Let's move on to the next question. In question number 67, statement 1 says shifting cultivation was widely prevalent in different parts of India in the 19th century. Statement 2 says more and more people took to shifting cultivation when forest laws were enacted. Now again, when we look at the given options, we can easily identify that the answer should be option 1 where statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Let's look at the next question. Let's look at question number 68. Statement 1 says cricket emerged as a colonial game. Statement 2 says cricket was started in England. Now, when we analyze both of them together, we can easily see that the correct answer should be option number 3 where both the statements are true and statement 2 provides the correct explanation for statement 1. Therefore, the correct answer is 3. Let's move ahead to the next question. Let's look at question number 69. Statement 1 says Mahatma Gandhi wished everyone had clothes to wear. Statement 2 says he wanted everyone to wear the single iron cloth as he did. So now when we analyze both the statements, we can easily see that the correct answer should be option 2 where statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Let's move ahead to question number 70. Let's look at question number 70. Statement 1 says the Spanish conquest of America was not a conventional military conquest. Statement 2 says one of the most powerful weapon was the spread of smallpox. When you see both of them together, you can easily see that the answer should be option number 3 where both the statements are true and statement 2 provides the explanation for statement 1. Let's move ahead to question number 71. Question number 71 says, statement 1 goes by, the Silk routes led to trade and cultural links between distant parts of the world. Statement 2 states, early Christian missionaries traveled to Asia through this route. When you see both these statements together, you can easily identify answer to be option 4, where both the statements are true, but statement 2 does not provide the correct explanation to statement 1. Moving on to question number 72. Statement 1 says the French used forced labor in Indochina for building canals. Statement 2 says Vietnam became a major exporter of rice in the world. Again, there is connection between them but no explanation to each other. Therefore, the correct answer should be option 4 where they are individually true statements but statement 2 does not provide the correct explanation for statement 1. Let's move ahead to the next set of questions.